Guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and if you're looking for something badass, you can't get much better than this. It is a Harley Davidson Fat Boy Special Low. Look at it, something like Arnold Schwarzenegger would be riding on Terminator. So if they did do Terminator, they'd probably ask me to be doing it, not Arnie, but hey ho, I'm busy down here. So let's give you some facts and figures. It's a 2013 on a 13 plate, it's done 4,764 miles. It's got the Vance and Hines pipes on there, it's got the induction kit, Supertuner, it's got the old backrest for your passenger, and also a sloped plate there. It doesn't come as standard, that is extra as well. Really nice, finished off in the Denim Black, so it's a really nice satin black. It looks mega. Give it a turn on so you can see it. Give it a start up. When I said badass at the beginning, I mean it. It truly is a mega beast. Anyway, you've seen the bike, you've seen Arnold Schwarzenegger, I mean Will, down here. Get yourselves down to Jordanbikes or simply give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and once it's done, we will give you a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We also offer finance and PCPs, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. If you like what you've seen, give us a ring and get it bought. Thank you.